This is what I'm looking at is basically the main part of the node. So I'd like to get it somewhere in here. Be really nice if it came up into this node here. Like I said, I was in this G period when it fell back into this node here. I've seen it sweep this low from the 29th. But I got out when it, just before it broke this F low here. Right in here is where I got out of it the first time. I was worried it was going to just keep ranging here. I thought for sure this H would, make its way back up into this area and I'd have another chance at shorting it. You can see we're right at the top of that node. Just wanted to see it up here. That might be it. And I would try to hold it. Take one somewhere in here and then try to hold the other one for at least the bottom of this node right here. Just wanted to see it get a little bit farther away from this POC. Like I said, up here would be great. Probably put one in here somewhere. If you enjoy these videos, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see future videos of how I trade MarketProfile and VolumeProfile. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. See, they bought it right at the open. It's kind of a weak level because they bought it right at it. So there's a good chance we're going to come back through that and at least clean that in that E period. Looks like they're trying to push a little higher here. Might give me an opportunity to get in. I think we better put one in there. And then if we get up in this area, I'll add another one. Otherwise, we'll play this one down to see where our entry's actually at, 87.75. We'll try to play this one down to the bottom of this node, or, the bottom of this node here. With 79. 79.25, just to front run that a little bit. Like I said, I'll get one more in if we get up into this area. Let them move this stop up a little bit. More like this, 72.50. Better go a little bit more, 72, 75. What I was trying to do there is get in at the top of this node. When I seen us reacting to this VWAP, I thought I should put one in here. Now I'm looking for the bottom of this node, which would be down here. And I was also looking at this H period. They bought it right at the open. So that creates a weak level there. We should be able to clear that out, which will clear this E. I'll bring my stop down as we break this. And then that'll, I'll have to watch this area, but that should bring us to our target. And you're going to have this area right here. It's low volume area. I think we should, if we can break this, I think we'll end up coming down in this area. Doesn't look like at this point I'm going to get that other set of contracts on, but that's fine. Maybe we will get that other one in there after all. I think around anything close to 90, 790 would be good. There we go. Put that in there. I'd probably take one somewhere in here, depending on how it's moving, about 81.25. Let's see how it moves through here. And obviously, if we can't break this H low, I want to get out of this. Turn off my brackets in case I want to just take one. I think you could split this one off. Bring the other one down here lower, see how far you can get. That would bring us all the way down to here. We'll put it down here. We'll take it if we get close. That'd be 20, actually, 29 to this, or 27. That's 81.75. We'll take that in the first one. Here's that I period open. So the first goal here is to get through your half back POC and break this H low. We don't want to see this I over this H high. We're pushing down the half back. So I have this first target front running the bottom of this node here. A second target front running the bottom of this entire node. You see here highlighted. I have this one down here just in case we start to flush through some of these levels. Your value area low is down here, so I'm not looking for much more than this. Matter of fact, you could just put an order there, but I'll take it manually if I need to. It's either buying it right at the half back. You have shorter term traders buying exactly at these levels. Those are creating weak levels there. They're not really getting a lot for it. So eventually, this should give out. This level will give out. That'll kind of create momentum. It'll take this level out, which should get us to our first target. And we'll see what happens from there. Going up to test that H high. If I wasn't already in this, I would definitely short this right here. You put a stop just a couple ticks above this H high. Somewhere in here. See how they keep trying to get higher and they're just not getting anything out of it. See if it starts to collapse on itself here. I really wanted to add to that position when we were up there by the H high, but told myself that I would just kind of take it easy this first week. I expected it to be a lot more volatile than it was today. So I stayed out of some trades, and especially the A-B period, I didn't trade at all, just kind of waiting to see what it was going to do. Taking another shot at that H high. Even if they do break over this H, I think you got to give them a couple ticks here just to see if it's going to fall back into here. And they're dead even with the H. You've had lots of opportunities to get in this if you weren't in it already, and you've had lots of opportunities to get out of it if you didn't like it. Like I said, that's where I would have gotten in if I wasn't in already, is basically up by that H high. Everything looks good to me. I would like to see them give up, struggling to try to break that H high, which it kind of looks like they're doing now, but you should see them really let go of it. If the I period gets down and breaks that H and E period, we're going to watch it snapping back. So I'll probably bring at least one stop down, basically just above the open, just in case it, kind of springs out of there and goes back into this rotation. I'm hoping that it picks up momentum if we can break this half back here. And then hopefully I'm looking for that to speed up and break that open low at the H there. When I have these ready. My stops are sitting up here now. I've got one ready to bring down to 84 if we do break this EH low. Almost to that open. Volume's increasing on the way down. It's not really picking up the way I wanted it to. And separate these. There, we're moving a little bit. Takes those two. So we have two left. I'm gonna bring these stops down, same thing. You can separate these as well. At 84 level here. We're looking for 79.25. I said you want to watch this area right here because of this low volume node. Bring both these down. It's just not letting go the way I wanted it to, or the way I thought it would. We'll take another one there. Like I said, it's just not letting go the way I wanted it to. We better take this one right in here at the 79.25. If we get there. There's just a little extra room because it looks like it wants to move down to this next node here. 79.25. See if Jay can get us down there. Sitting just above that open. If you enjoy these videos, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see future videos of how I trade MarketProfile and VolumeProfile. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. See if we can break this eye low here, otherwise I'll just take it. I'll take it right there at the 31 ticks. I was trying to hold that last one. You can see it's going to go there right now. This is what I was waiting for. We ended up getting, I think, almost all of them right here at the 81.75 or close to it. It just didn't, I expected this to happen a lot quicker when it started happening.